Hi, what if I told you that you could extract transcript from 1,000 YouTube videos for just $1, while others charge 5, 7, or maybe more for the same result or the same amount? Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to Apify Store, which is this one, Apify Store. Okay, let's search. Okay, let's search for paper event or paper result. It's the same. But it means pay per event, you pay just what you need. So in this actor, you pay $7 for 1,000 results, which is insane. Let's search for another one. $10. And for for the much, this is insane. Let's see another one. $7. This is $2. This is also good. So this is a good actor. Let's see another one. It's not a YouTube survey, extract video, text, or extract. Let's see how much. $3, which is good. Yeah. Let's see this one. $3. This dude rated in his title. $6 per 1,000 results. Let's see what is it. Yes, $6 per 1,000 results. And this is my actor. It is also good. $20. This is insane. $20. $20 is a lot. Okay. And we reach. This is it. If that comment, by URL. Trying to use scraper result scraper. Let's see this dude. Much. 6 and $7. 3.5. Okay, you know the drill. What I mean, this actor is expensive, so you want to go here and go pay per event. You pay just what you need, and you choose my actor, and give it a spin. Let's test it out. Try it for free. So, like I said, the Apify give you $5 credit every month. So let's create your account by connecting with your Google account or GitHub account. I don't think you can add the spam account. You can only add the Gmail account. Okay, let's connect with my Google account and let's test performance. You can read all about this extract. You can read the more information. What the input he expects, and the result, etc. etc. So let's test it. So in this field, required timestamp only to return result for a video that have available transcript. So what it does mean, if the video provided that doesn't have transcript generated by YouTube, it will not return anything. And this mode, transcript only mode, it means it return only the transcript without metadata, which mean the like and the information. So I want to return all, but I will provide it with some YouTube to test it. Okay. Save and start. Okay, this is the 10, this is the image of the video and the title and then when he's created and the view, the like, and etc. This is the information. With clear text and with the timestamp. So I hope you try my actor. YouTube Transcript Extractor. Only $1 per 1,000 results. Go to store, pay per event, and you can see it in here.